Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how to fix a Coverstar application not working. First of all, this could be a technical issue. So go ahead and search for your Wi-Fi. If you think your Wi-Fi is slower, you're going to have to switch it to your mobile data or maybe secondary Wi-Fi and see if it changes anything. Next thing you could try is updating Coverstar app. So head over to your Play Store and search for Coverstar. If you see update, tap on update. If you see open, that means your application is already updated. Now, once you have done that, launch your Coverstar application and it should hopefully work properly. If it's still not working, then long tap onto Coverstar, then tap on the eye icon. You will get to this app info page, tap on storage, clear the cache. Now, if you remember your credentials, I also recommend you to clear the data. So tap on delete data. Now, lastly, you're going to have to restart your device. And as you do that, launch your application and it will definitely fix your problem. Thank you for watching.